Well, hi there from Sunny Approach. Another quick meal prep today. We are going to be making some fajitas. Throw some onions on a very hot griddle here. It's probably about 400 degrees at the moment. Just grease it with a little bit of olive oil, not too much. Short video earlier I talked about cutting up your chicken super thin. It will make it cook a lot faster and you'll be happier with how that comes out. It's important when you're frying things like onions or mushrooms to give them plenty of space on the griddle. That's why I've got these going first. Once they start lightly caramelizing, then I add in peppers. Now these are frozen, so I've got them in the center part of the griddle where it's the hottest. They're looking like they're close enough to being done. Move them up to into the griddle. Now it's time to add in the chicken. So about 2 minutes into cooking this meal, if you think about it, if you're in a line at a fast food restaurant, just how long it takes sometimes to even get to the car that's ready to order. Those cook for a little bit. Now while I'm doing this, I'm going to ask for the other part of the Sunny Approach crew to come and give me a hand here, because I need the fajita seasoning. And our good viewers, up a shelf, to the right, and back. This way our good viewers get to continue to watch this and not see me dart across to the other side of the room. Not quite ready for it to go on yet, but yes. If you're like me, I don't necessarily like a lot of fancy things to go with my fajitas. I'm quite content with just the chicken, the peppers and the onions, but I know that some people would much prefer to have rice added as well. So if you were going to be making this for a full meal of rice and beans, you probably want to throw the rice into a rice cooker about 10 minutes before you start doing this part of the cooking, so that everything's on the table at the same time. see these peppers are now starting to caramelize and look quite delicious. Chicken is almost cooked. Don't want to overcook it or it'll be rubbery and tasteless. And these ones are a little bit thinner, so we can cut them as light as I would like. Now I want some of the flavour of the onions and the peppers to mingle. I'm going to pull it all together. Now we'll add a bit of seasoning. Now sometimes you need to add a little bit of water with the fajita seasoning, and so we have a little trick that we do because we don't like to get anything messier than it needs to be. And so a little trick is to just add some water to the packet that the seasoning came in. You can use it as a little pouring cup. So 7 minutes into making this. I'm not going to bore you all with watching the last 3-4 minutes of cooking, but that's about all it will take, and then just serve it up with some warm tortillas. I will typically just shove the meat back there and warm the tortillas up on the griddle there. Add some cheese if you like, some shredded lettuce maybe. And there you have it, a meal on the table in less than about 10 minutes. Healthy, fresh, nutritious, cooked from scratch. If you find these enjoyable to watch, I certainly invite you to be a Sunny Approach subscriber. Click that little subscribe button, hit the bell, and then you'll never miss being notified when a new video drops. Our cooking videos go into the playlist called Cooking. Certainly you can have fun watching Cappuccino, or if you like farming, you can click on our farming playlist too. And sometimes we cook meals like this and freeze them to bring with us when we go camping. You can see some of our camping adventures as well. Thank you very much and have a sunny day.